Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to do a quick video of what I did with Y harnesses and servo extensions. Um, just take some good old heat shrink, and when you plug your extensions together, your Y harnesses, whatever, go ahead and put them together and shrink it down. Then I took some servo tape, taped the two of them together, and then taped it to the fuselage. Boom, it's out of the way. The wires coming up out of the wing into the fuselage, zip tied them together, took a couple of old staples, long old staples, and put a little bit of rubber cement on them, pushed them down into the foam. That'll keep that out of the way. Same thing with those wires. There's another servo extension together from the ESC. Another staple. This plane's been through hell and back. I really wish Horizon Hobby would bring it back, because the P-51 gunfighter is just a really good flying plane. It's nice because you can hand launch it, belly land it, and it's just one of my favorite planes there is. Because like I said, you hand launch it, bring it in, belly land it, like the F4F Wildcat. Same kind of thing. But anyway, no, I just wanted to show you guys how I cleaned up my wiring inside my plane. Now back here it's a little bit wrapped around, but it's actually wrapped around the servos, and they're out of the way of the linkages, the rods, so we're good there. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to show you guys how I cleaned up the wiring on this with making sure this stuff doesn't come apart. Oh, also, I haven't done it yet, but I'm ready to do the same thing on the ESC wires. I'm going to take heat shrink tubing and run them around the ESC connections. That way there again, it'll pull them together, it'll keep them from moving, and I'm not going to have a problem. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome, glad you found it, and stay tuned for more fun stuff. Take care guys, thanks, bye.